naka-live match. Ito ang ating NBA MVP Prediction Challenge. Tuloy-tuloy po siya. How to join, predict lang MVP ng bawat featured game daily, no? Submit via Google Form. Input your MVP entry, live match ID. Siyempre, huwag niyong kalimutan ang bet slip na screenshot nyo ng ating featured game, no? Sa Arena Plus. Weekly winner 250, two winners, 1 grand prize 1,000, 1 winner. Special cash prize, milestone spin 200 each, 5 winners. And important rules, NBA MVP prediction grand prize will be awarded to the participant with the highest accumulated points. Ayan, how to redeem your prize. Join ka na sa ating Viber Bet channel. Ayan, no? Tips and insight, register sa live match. Syempre, DM ang our business ID within 24 hours, and rules and regulation after admin verification. Price will be sent. No DM within 24 hours. Winner announcement. Price for feature. Ayan, live match reserves the right to audit participant. Disqualify any users abusing the campaign. So, sali na po dito sa ating MVP Prediction Challenge.